Hello guys, how are you all? You people are thinking that why I'm taking this bottle, the empty bottle, and what I'm doing this empty bottle in my hand. Uh Friends, in this era, in this generation, many people, many people and the childrens or the young generation, they are basically hopeless. They don't hope anything about anything. Their studies, or they are playing, or they are thinking about something, or they are thinking about the career, all this. So my dear friends, maybe we should think that maybe it's an empty bottle for you and many other people also. But if we think that in the empty bottle, in the empty bottle there is some oxygen, that is called hope. So we have to think, you know, think some positive, or think some energetic, that gives us happiness. Okay, so I just want to tell you that in this era, in 2020 to 2021 running up, the many people, billions of people, whole world, we are all are suffering from different problems. We do all know that what is going on, this pandemic is going on. So in this situation, my dear friends, we have to think about positiveness, and we have to think hope that maybe few months or few days we can overcome this situation. The matter is, I just shortlisted some different companies and different you know uh, different areas and different sectors. All are suffering, there is no doubt about it. We all are suffering. Even I am a hospitality industry person, I am also suffering from many problems. So I just shortlisted some. I already told you that some companies that you are suffering, I am suffering, basically all are we are suffering. So just think about it, what happened with these lipstick companies. Think about it, from 2020 to 21 running up, they are getting a big loss. Just think about it, they are, every woman are wearing the lipstick for their beautiful face. Just think about the lipsticks. These lipsticks are not maybe some huge loss about for the graph. You can see the graph. If the graph is high in this from 2019 to 2020, you can see this the graph. But from right now, the graph is going down. So as well as this is same situation for the cold drinks company, as well as situation of the same for ice cream companies. Just think about it, everyone is aware, don't drink any cold drinks, or don't eat some ice creams, blah blah blah. So these are all extra, think about this situation, that they all companies are going down. Think some positive, my dear friends. Don't be panic, because you are not suffering, whole world is suffering. So maybe upcoming some days or some months, we can think about good hope, and we can recover this situation. So it's my request to all of my friends, those who are suffering from this situation, don't be panic, don't be think so much. Just do meditation, and be calm, and be patient in yourself, be confident in yourself, that I we all are not alone. We all are suffering from the same problems. So my request to all that be patient and be positive in yourself. So just comment and share, and if you like this video, just like the share button, and just ask me if you have any questions yourself. I will give the answer. So goodbye to all. See you in the next video.